how to redeem Nike gift card. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you redeem Nike gift card. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the source field you'll have to type for nike.com, and after there you'll be able to visit official website of this nike.com, and from here you'll have to choose the product whom you want to buy. So I will choose this one. So after here you'll have to go the option add to bag, so it will appear at the bottom of your screen. So simply tap on this add to bag option. Alright, so simply choose one size from here and tap on add to bag. Alright, so after you add this product on your bag, you'll have to just tap on your bag icon just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from here you'll have to go the option go to checkout. Alright, so from here you'll have to go the option member checkout. So right now I have no any member account and I can't create that, so I am going with the option guest checkout. Okay, so from there you'll have to complete all of the procedure related to this payment section, and now on the payment section you'll got options like do you have a gift card, product, voucher or promo code. So if you have a gift card you'll have to check that option, and now after you check that you'll have to provide your voucher number and promo code there. So after you apply the voucher number or promo code, you'll be able to redeem Nike gift card on your product. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.